In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Contact Us on all Systeme.io pages. We're going to create a contact page inside your Systeme.io funnel, choose a template, and then customize the form so visitors can easily reach you. This is a useful setup if you want a professional way for people to send messages directly from your pages. To get started, log into your Systeme.io account and go to your dashboard. From there, look for the Sites section and click into it. Once you're inside, select Sales Funnels. This will take you to the area where all of your funnels are organized. Now choose the funnel where you want to add your Contact Us page. After opening that funnel, click on Add Step. This is where you create a new page inside the funnel flow. You'll be asked to enter a step name, so type in a clear name that helps you identify it easily later, such as Contact Us. Next, open the Type drop-down and choose Contact Us Page. Once you see that option, click on it to confirm the page type, then click Save. At this point, Systeme.io will create the new step and let you move on to the design part. Now you'll need to pick a template for the page. Choose the one that best matches the style of your funnel. The exact design isn't the most important part right now, since you can still edit it afterward. Once you've selected a template, click Edit Page to open the drag and drop editor. Inside the editor, click on the Contact Us element. This will open its settings in the left side panel. Here you can control how the form behaves. If you want people to be able to upload files like screenshots, images, or documents, turn on the Display Attach File button option. This can be especially helpful for support requests or detailed inquiries. After that, customize the message after submission. This is the confirmation text visitors will see after they hit send, so make it clear and reassuring. A simple confirmation message works well because it lets people know their message was successfully submitted. Once you've finished those settings, click Save in the editor to make sure your changes are applied. Then click Exit to leave the page editor and return to your funnel. And that's it. Your Contact Us page is now set up in Systeme.io. From here, you can place it wherever it makes sense in your funnel and keep the experience smooth for your visitors.